As somber music starts. Hey everyone, let's talk about a hidden crisis in Southeast Asia that many people don't even know exists. Imagine living in a place where the ground beneath your feet could explode at any moment. Welcome to Laos. During the Vietnam War, the US dropped over 2 million tons of bombs on Laos. That's more than what the Allies dropped during all of World War II. Shockingly, about 30% of these bombs didn't explode. That means around 80 million unexploded bombs are still out there, posing a daily threat to the people of Laos. Since the war ended, over 12,000 people have been killed or injured by these deadly remnants. Children playing, farmers working the fields, anyone can be a victim. Farming, a primary source of livelihood, has become perilous, entrenching communities in poverty. For many Laotians, the only way to earn money in these affected regions is by collecting scrap metal from these bombs. This dangerous practice is a race against time, as bomb disposal teams work to clear these deadly items before they can harm more people. These brave bomb disposal teams face incredible challenges. Limited resources, rough terrain, and complex local customs make their task daunting. One inspiring story is that of the only female senior EOD technician in Laos. She and her team work tirelessly, often risking their lives to make these areas safer. The variety of bombs and fuses used during the war adds another layer of complexity. Some bombs are equipped with timers that can reactivate upon disturbance. Even a slight movement could trigger a detonation. This makes the work of bomb disposal technicians incredibly risky. The infamous Ho Chi Minh Trail, a critical North Vietnamese supply route, ran through Laos. It was heavily bombed, leaving behind a legacy of destruction that the people of Laos are still dealing with today. Cluster munitions, known locally as bombies, are particularly dangerous, often mistaken for toys or fruit by children. These small yet lethal bombs continue to cause casualties. The social impact is profound. Older Laotians experience traumatic flashbacks during bomb evacuations, while communities have mixed feelings about bomb removal. Relief from the danger is tinged with the loss of potential scrap income. Recently, efforts to clear these bombs have been hampered by political decisions. In January 2025, a freeze on US aid halted vital bomb disposal programs in Laos, leaving thousands of bomb disposal experts without work and communities without hope. However, there are ways to help. Organizations like MAG, Article 22, and FCNL are working hard to clear UXOs and support survivors. You can make a difference by supporting these organizations or purchasing products like Article 22 bracelets made from repurposed bomb metal. It's crucial to raise awareness about this ongoing crisis. The people of Laos deserve to live without fear of the ground beneath their feet. And music fades. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to spread the word about the unseen dangers in Laos.